Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, Friday, October the 28th, 2022. Almost end of the weekend. Yes, we have here a tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch they call it Cypher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this will be number. I've already solved 3 puzzles. Yeah, let me show you the 3 puzzles I've solved. 3 stars and 4 star Sudoku and a binary. Yeah, it's time now for the tectonic. Yes, the tectonic with 4 stars. Well, this one with 4 stars, cipher block. Let me position the camera. With 4 stars, number 5399. 5399. Yeah. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, I believe, 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one's 17. Should be an easy one, but it's indicated with 4 stars. For the 4 stars puzzles, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really 4 stars? I do not know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box of boxes is always a 1. Here single box, there single box. Always a 1. Dual boxes. Do we have dual boxes in this puzzle? I see here a dual box contains the 1 and 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Only 1 dual box? No. Triple boxes then. Here a triple box. Here also a triple box. And there a triple box. Here the 1 and the 3 is already filled in, so this box should be a 2. Here, this triple box contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. The 2 and the 3 could be everywhere. 2 and 3, yes. But when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. But we already have a 4 in the same area, so this box should be a 5. Here, another triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3, and the 4. Let me see. The 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box can be a 2. We have a 2 there. So 2 could be here, could be there. The 1 and the 3 could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. This box near the middle box. This is the middle box. 4 or a 5. Quadra boxes then. The following question. Do we have quadra boxes in this puzzle? No quadra boxes. Well. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, some structures or constructions. For example, this shape. This T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. But also that box has the same name as this box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. 1 or a 2. Okay. 1 or a 2. Okay. Only 1 T shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Alright. So this box has the same name as that box. Then the following shape. Do we have only 1? Yes, we have only 1. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 3 of those shapes. Maximum of 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Well, I've marked this box with 1 or a 2. If I put the 2 here, then these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. And I need a 2 in this area. So it can be a 2, should be a 1, is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 1 box left in this dual box for number 2. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Then this box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3, okay. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, and this box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, should be there. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Let me see. These are 3 boxes surround the 3. Can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area, should be there. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 4 there. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 4 there. The 4 is supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3, okay. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Oh, well. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1, should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 number left in this area for number 3. Okay. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. Then let me see. These are 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These are 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. Alright. That means that this box can be, these 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. And then, let me see. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well. Yeah, I'm thinking. This box. Wait. 2 and 3. Come on. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for 3 in this triple box should be there. Now we have a 3 there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. Alright. These two boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, this box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 1, 2. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3. Can be a 4. We have a 4 in the same area, so should be a 5. Yeah. All right. Then let me see. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah. These two boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4. Let me mark those. 3 and the 4, 3 and 4. And this box is connected with that box, so it can't be a 2 anymore. 3 and a 4. Ah, we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. So this box should be a 4 then. Can be a 3, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 4. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Then I've eliminated the 2 there, so the 2, because these two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Okay. Well. These two boxes can be 3, but also that box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there, so the 3 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. I think this box should be 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4. We have a 4 in the same area. Can be a 5. Yes, definitely 3. So 2 numbers left. The 2 and a 5 then. 2 and a 5. Alright. Well, let me think now. Let me think. 2 and a 5. Well, these two boxes can be a 2. And that box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, this box is occupied with the 4 or a 5, so that box should be a 2. All right. Then this box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3, can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5. Let me mark those 1 and 5, 1 and the 5. Well, 2, 3, 4, 1. Yeah, I need a 1 here. Well. We have a 2 here. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 2, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. Okay, then I think. Yeah. 1. Well. Come on. It's taking too long. The 1 should be here. 1 and a 5, 2 and a 5, 2, 5, 3. 1 and a 2. We have a 4 there, 2 and a 5, 4. The 2 cannot be here, 2, 2. The 1, need a 1 here. This box can be 1, 1, 1. This box can be 1, 2, 5. Come on. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And how about the 4? Well. 1 here, 1 there. 1, 2, 5, 4, 3 or 1. This box, 3 or 1. I'm thinking. I'm close. Close. 4, 3, 1 and a 5, 2 and a 5. 2, 2, 3, 3. This box can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 4. So the 4 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be the 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. Yeah, I'm thinking. Oh, 3 and a 4. No 3 there. 3. I'm stuck. 1 and a 5. 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 there. Overlooked. 2 and a 5. So this box should be a 5 then, and that box should be a 2. Overlooked. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 5. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Well. 2 numbers left in this area, 3 and a 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there in this triple box. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. Final 2 numbers, the 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Well, 17 minutes. Well. Cannot be a 4 stars. Can be a 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. And we solve it again. And I like this one. I like this very much. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow. Have a great and fantastic Friday. And it's a weekend. See you tomorrow on Saturday. Bye-bye for now.